Hey, my door babies. As you can see, I got to use this 333 hair oil before my install for stimulation and growth, also for moisture against this bleach hair that I got. Go over to www.flamboyanttouches.com and get you some. I'm also using this liquid gold from Boho. This is going to mold my hair down and protect my hair from the glue because I'm not using a cap. Yes. And I'm going to dry it and mold it. I look bald-headed, don't I? Anyway, Tamika Gibson from Boho Lace Tape does not suggest these tips. I'm doing this because this is what I like to do, and it's on my head. And as you can see, I still got my edges. Okay? My edges is still there. I do this all the time. If you're going to do this, make sure you know what you're doing. I'm going to use some alcohol to clean off the residue from the liquid gold, as well as clean my skin from any oils that it has going on. You're going to use your Boho skin protector to protect your skin from sweat, as well as this is going to help your lace hold on for a longer period of time. I'm letting it dry, and then I'm going to apply my wig to make sure that it's fitting exactly the way I want it to, and as you can see, it is. I'm going to use that Boho lace tape. Yes, I'm using it on my hair because, like I said, I use that liquid gold to protect my hair from the tape. I'm also using this tape as a guidance simply because I don't have guidance while putting this wig on the back. Okay. And you see why I'm going to use it as a guidance. You see that? So I use it right there, and I'm going to put on the Boho Active Thin Layers. Actually, my layers did not look that thin. Like I said, I ain't have no guidance, but it still came out flawless. This mirror was the only guidance I had. Anywho, we're going to put on about 2 or 3 coats of that. And yeah. Then I'm going to apply my wig. As you can see, it was not dry completely, but it still came out good, like I said. Okay. Bear with me, bear with me. So yeah. See, it still came out good. Although it wasn't dry properly. But it's still snatched, honey. It's still snatched. And then I'm going to do the front. I did put tape on in the front as well in an L shape. And I'm going to apply that Boho Active in Thin Layers. As you can see, I got it right here in the front. But I didn't get it right in the back. But it's okay, because it's still late. Okay? All right. You see it's thin because it's melting, honey. It's melting. It's getting clear. Right here, I could not really do it on camera, so I had to go up in the mirror for this part. All right. But look at that. Scalp, honey. Bare scalp. Scalpiano. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Yes. But then I put that frontal wrap on. That good old Flamboyant Touches frontal wrap. Go over to www.flamboyanttouches.com and get you your frontal wrap to melt your lace, honey. All right. So I had to put on some liquid gold right there in the front. You know, I needed it to melt some more. I just kept seeing something that I don't see now. But then I added a little bit of tape. I mean, not tape, I'm sorry. Some lace tint. Then I had to tie it back down. Put that dryer on. Yes. And it's melting. I still seen something that I needed to fix, but that shit look good, don't it? I did add a little bit of makeup. And you know I don't like baby hairs, I like wispies. I was just making my little wispies and stuff. You know what I mean? Yeah, yes. Then I added a little bit of contour powder. I just kept seeing something that I don't see now. I don't understand. But that's what I did. I was just making sure she melts. Putting the pressure on that. Applying the pressure. And yeah. Okay. She ready. These are the different looks that I achieved. And she is on the website.